A local repair shop told the owner of this phone that the back glass can't be replaced and they have to change the whole housing, which will cost him $100. So today I want to prove them wrong. Everything you see here, including the extra waterproof seals, cost me less than $20. So they were either lazy or they wanted to scam the customer. Because sure, it can take around 2 hours to fix this, especially if you don't have a laser machine, but it's still doable. So I'm gonna replace the back glass on this iPhone 11, and guys, always ask for a second opinion, because sometimes repair shops, they just want to make some money off you. You might be asking why I'm starting to heat up the display. Well, because I'm gonna take out the most critical components to protect them from the heat that's gonna be used on the back glass removal. The heat isn't going to be that high to melt things, but I still want to be sure. And we all know batteries can go boom, so I don't want to risk it. I also want to apologize because you won't hear any sound from the recording. Something messed up the sound and I couldn't get it back, so sorry. Let me know down in the comments if you ever had this sort of experience, when something should have been really cheap to repair but somehow you were asked to pay way too much. And I feel like this can happen anywhere in the world, so yeah, let me know. So right now I'm busy with taking everything out like I said, and we're left with only the logic board and the battery, so those are the last two things that we're gonna remove. After I removed the battery, it was time to move to the back glass and start breaking it some more so we can take out the shards. This part took around an hour and a half and I made a time lapse leaving most of it in, so sit back and relax. And that was the removal process. I hope you liked it. Right now I'm cleaning it with isopropyl alcohol, and then I'm gonna start adding the liquid adhesive and the new back glass to the phone. After that I simply put it in a press and waited until it was done. Next I had to clean any residue that spilled out and basically started the reassembly. Now we just have to add the screen and the brackets over the connectors and close the phone up. So, I'm curious what you guys think. Were the guys at the repair shop lazy, or they were trying to scam the customer? I feel like if they were just lazy, they could have said that, look, we don't have time, instead of suggesting changing the whole housing for $100 when the glass piece costs about 15. I charged this person $25 because he agreed to let me film his phone. That's a quarter of what they asked for a housing replacement. And I get that some people might want a housing replacement, but they didn't give him the option. Anyway, let's talk about this in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!